Alex, what matter?
Whoa.
That's right. How many?
2.
That's right. You're a good
Wanna go
boy.
back?
No,
Wanna go
sweetie.
back?
No, you can't go back yet. You gotta...
You want some water?
All right. Do you want some water, or are you just asking to interrupt? You're just asking to interrupt. I know
Go
you.
back?
I know you. Hey. Look. What color bigger? What color bigger?
Green.
Green. Oh, you're a good
back.
boy. Okay, Alex, look. Look what I got for you. Hey, look. Look at all these neat toys. Look. Hey, look, can you tell me, on the tray, how many green block? Green block.
2.
Good parrot. 2 green block. 2. Good parrot. One of the things Alex doesn't have is a knee-jerk response to the types of objects that you present him. He can look at 2 objects and answer several different types of questions about those objects, or he can look at a novel collection of items and answer questions about that collection. What this shows us is that he really understands what those questions mean. The whole thing.
Yes, Alex.
Kitchen.
You're
That's
right.
right,
Good
teacher.
boy.
Alex describing objects. Alex saying, Polly want more than a cracker.
Is what you want?
I want banana. Carrot.
Good birdie.
I want corn. Soft corn.
Soft corn, good parrot. We've got rock corn, that's dried corn, and we've got soft corn too.
Coal.
It's cold, yes, it's cold. It's from the refrigerator.
Go pick up corn.
Well, no, I'm not going to pick up the corn you threw down.
Using his beak, he could tell you what matter objects were made of.
What's your
Rock.
Good boy.
rock?
What matter?
What matter, Alex?
Wood.
Wood,
That's
good
right.
boy.
Whoa.
That's right. Whoa.
And amazingly, on a tray, he could tell you the number of squares from the number of balls, the number of each color.
How many blue blocks?
4.
4 is right.
Good parrot.
He's choosing from among all the possible answers. Remember, he sees this object. If he was giving a knee-jerk response, he would say paper every time he saw this thing.
He tried to restrain himself when student parrots like this one got it wrong.
What matter?
Then Alex would interject with his equivalent of duh.
What matter?
Wood.
As parrots go, he was simply Einstein. When we were there, even Einstein got hungry.
Well, you're the boy.
Want to go eat dinner?
I know. It's time to eat dinner, sweetie. I know it's time, but we have to do one more chore, okay?
And then Alex declared it was over.
Want to go back?
You want to go back?
And now, somewhere in parrot heaven, the angels are marveling at what God wrought. Alex the parrot has died at the age of 31.
And he said to the trainer when she turned out the lights, "See you tomorrow. Be good. I love you."